2D Coupe, 3.0L V6 SMPID OHC, 4-speed automatic, map light, power tilt and slide sunroof, and remote keyless entry. Jet black. Wow! Where do I start? Looking for a fantastic deal on a superb-looking and fun 2002 Toyota Camry Solara? Well, we've got it. Not only will it save you money at the pump with its extremely good gas mileage, but will still excite your senses with plenty of zip. Don't close the deal till sunset.